Tayo mwabu miaka igatwani go autia ama kweli asensemelia ya magena yego toka sebunge ya machogo brabwe county ya Kisii aso kagirwa koba omoibi na boni go omosayo yoiga anyakoba kwane kigwa aso kagirwa koiba ebituma eguni emo kurwa asensemelia chiro ya nyangoso chingaki arenge koligia omugori asensemelia magena chingaki boigo gati aminyibe nseme yo baba kuikelia ebikori baba sabange babiri bagosonnya ase bikore byo butume kibwa amariogo yogo tinde gwikirana goso asenseme yo oboibi na boni go musao yo atorigwa korwase amaboko ya aminyibe nseme yo barenge amono borobo tindi korigwa kwa asegeta seni kyabanyimbo chinga kyabange babiri bakuikelia ebikore bingamne bigamne tokomanyigwa no mulikito Brian Nyankeya
Mokagirwa yo mabuo ibi ni gagendera tagotangwa segetu ky'abanyanyimbo kya Nyangoso magegayo kubwatwa na ukagirwa kabo mwebi bwe bituma asinsemo cha magena oyo barengenera ni ganyara koba kagocha bichuko
yona girwe sininge gichane gyabwatiru kyabekirwa akere kebwate bituma byarenge guni kebagane gati kebogortine chipikipiki lakini ya bahati mbaya omuntu omubogortine pikipiki igata makangana no abwatira ni liga abantu mbage chigwa sogota gusamba omwana oyo gantwate na imara twate mwana utabasa gusamba aborerwa sheria airu police yagambigweki
ituko lya lero igona renge nyomba mambi saa 12 narangire gochumukia umuntu urusi bitu Nyangoso arantire magena acha konia yabe bati zonyoro mwana igari entakana nonde nera ngondo murisi we kanisa nanyara tingo nyara mwana yasa mukuru baga mwana yasa narangire abayuri bakira abasikari baito bakira nariko sorora abantu baito bali moko rusie bintu isiko mwarenta magena mwaja konyo kamuranche aiga ya tutagetibo ibi magena agere state
nanya nabo abamenyi bekinseme chiga nigo baenekya yetera abantu ndantangani asomoka kero yuko ebwaterane nebikora bunebyo asekeria amatuka amaega na begecho byara kurenda akanyara kabaka gotama kurasige tukya abanyanyimbo kya Nyangoso asenonya nabo bagikiriye chimbwa cyaye
amuna twaje kumubega kumbe police Nyangoso na atamete kuru Nyangoso wono ta airu Nyangoso aya kune ne station ya Nyangoso muri kere case airu ekoti
umwana toyanga no muntu kwate bine binga twamwena niragende Nyangoso asabwa ate bina binde achikugambi gone serikali
muibuli yo nanyorire nga ale straight forward otebiro mwana oiga atamete kuru station ya Nyangoso
egenta kore kebe esena mokonya ngabiswe igatagure nyombe yo obuturali batira maboko utabakuru ororo na indi wono ngeringa tugusabanya sako nyu mwana uyu no mwana omokare mamu mwabatayo goya tobera mabira manene
ni gobono egekure kenene kyarure gucyase bari bonsi babere bakwebwatirana nebikore ebyo asichinsemecho
bagenaga iganto tageti barifu tiga umwana oya iru asa tigerete form twateba airu naenda asomibu ne serikali
abantu ndi mwese menyete magena kwenye kumatenga no bwatu bwalifu tafadhali wase kutoka mapema before tukufikie yego arabana iganzo tukorora muntu ndi mwese uri mwalifu magena agaiga omwana yasabaleze mebi tumama magena aga tari ngale koleta bigende embe iguru kuna walifu wengine wabale magena ale koleta rebi tumebi yaba pati mbaya bono bya bwatu batamire
abasaye bono nigo baboriwe kwebwato kakorwase bikore ebyo asoboye sensemo yaba bayibori baboriwe ko basemya abana babo
asafi cyana boni gatobwate yasa tigaba konye mo ende kanisa na ande mo gende school ko begire school tigago tige school omwana no mokesa no kolire okoiba
abantu baito bali mo bwata abana tema ukwana na abana bayino because ensebono yabe irembe amarikanya saa kwa na byonga chinga kie chigane chinga kichimbe
totagete ko beko morembe magena botuko na mugaso na muntu rwese uri magena bakore kasi aire ebwena rete aye kore kasi yago rero yakomete magena o menyete posa igo ngote komboka mambi ake bikoroterangi ongare oragere buya abantu bande bachandeze batari korara my friend wase kuwa masai before tukufikie
kinkolipatiria igetaseni gya Kisii TV Brian Nyankeya.
Right, mbwa mwana sana mulikito Brian Nyankeya noroboto rwasenchira yobo ikiranu tokorana ase county ya Nyamira ase ntunda entangani nigo omonogari omochore bwe bunge county assembly ya Nyamira Mosketadius Nyabaro nigo nyakobokora ebikaro ase ebunge yomaega yekigambiro kurwa ase nsemeyo kwane kimna obochori bwaye nabwo obo nigo babeto bokwane kigwa ase bwa korekante korengana amonili chiko korengana amun muske nyabaro nigo alirira yogo kwana kinga gochiaro kora emirumu yae asinchira kene no buasi okukurwa asia obisiae chinga kiboigo abirga kubolia bali bonsi babir bakorera ebikaro byabo asensemelia ya bunge mashinani gocha ase ensemelia county assembly ya Nyamira munchiremo yokora emiroblio ye bunge ligokine nabo gwetia e budget ya county ya Nyamira asaboigo abirga kulira yogo chikubotane egati ya abayemsia baiga munchiremo yokone kinge county ya Nyamira ya abirge kukina kemagendro roboti uru ni gorwaliganigwa na mulikito Ivon Muriasi
Tukoria lere bikaro bie bunge ya Nyamira nigo byaragwa no monogerio mochore bwe bunge yo Thaddeus Nyabara Sentunde Ntangani eyo mayaga yo gochika gwekegambere kyo gwanchira nali bagali yaye buno monogerio mochore bwe bunge yo.
It is with deep humility and a profound gratitude that I address you today in my new relation communication as the duly elected Speaker of the County Assembly of Nyamira.
Chinga kecho Honorable Nyabaro nigalira yogo chego kole meremo ya sobwa sioku.
I assure you that my office shall remain accessible, consultative, and guided by the principles of fairness and open dialogue. Together, let us build a stronger and more respected county assembly that works for the good of all Nyamira residents.
Omoteneri bwa bangase bunge yo kwana nabaliki nigaerero mogoko maiga ye bunge yo konyoro bweno bwa baireri baga yo gochia kogendererie meroberio ye bunge yo.
Lero nyali tukolio mogoko monene sana ase tali ase assembly yoka atinga ase county ya Nyamira. Una after meeting yemenge assembly yabeire n'emisikosuko emenge nande yabaganekire ono through the grace God inside twatwalire a direction where Nyamira assembly ebwato mu speaker yomo fully recognized in law ebwate clerk oyomo fully recognized in law and kuwatirana nayo ndaite ko tebia my colleague leaders na tojamu tokolega as soon as possible.
Igati ya babunge bali baikira na sebikale ebyo nigo bamwaliganio monogeria senchera ya bene.
We have had very turbulent times, Mr. Speaker. Members of this House, Mr. Speaker, have had very bad experiences in the last 9 months, Mr. Speaker. We thank God that you are now fully empowered to disseminate the wisdom that befits a leader of your stature, Mr. Speaker. Mine is to wish you well and hope that you restore the dignity of this House, Mr. Speaker, whose major duty is representation, oversight and legislation, Mr. Speaker.
I really want to ask God to guide you, give you wisdom, and also, Mr. Speaker, a big heart of accommodating everybody so that we can move, because we've had a lot of turbulences, Mr. Speaker, and that's why I also felt that I should get a chance also to congratulate you and wish you all the best, as we want to confirm today that you will have our support, Mr. Speaker. And Mr. Speaker, I want to assure you that from where I'm seated, where the county assembly is placed, Mr. Speaker, you will have the maximum security, as I wish you well. Go, Likuneni, go.
Nonyene kati ya babunge balia babaire bagokore bikaro byabo bunge mashinani nigo baikirana ase baliganigwa ekererio girio karia igweka ase bunge yo liarengerio girio morembe
ase tukolia lero buna ekoti ya etia ntwe etukigwera lichiko ekoti buna ya etia egateba bona go muspiko ito no Thaddeus Nyabaro oitwa choreke kende nkijo bona ngana nditagite ndutaitibitina twatigende yonsi etore nyuma yo muspiko ito Nyabaro kuchimutuga iga torena kitoko nyama twetu Nyamira asama tukaya koriki atigaire.
Congratulations. You have stood firm. You have won. Honorable members, my plea will be to call for peace, harmony, and understanding from one another. We might have been in 2 different camps, but we were all elected under the county government of Nyamira. So let us work for our people and let us embrace dialogue so that the other people who have not come in will be able to come in.
Kulingana no monogeri getambo kire getang'ani ebunge yuera chikoira no moroberi obo gwetia budget ye county yo ya Nyamira.
Ngwakira county government yetu ngambi mono na mono mwaziri bwechibesa na forward ye fiscal strategy paper eye ko genda kora anganga kitoko kore budget ntwanyanyora twayebekira se committee ya budget tutagete pa chumaine vale te report igaiga egerene wiki yende ko bwati before tarehe 30 toetie budget ye county agenda usu. Order members, order.
Kuripatira KCTV kurwase bunge ye county ya Nyamira, Ncheivon Muriasi.
Mwanchumura totikarite asenseme county ya Nyamira niko ebodi yobolemi bwa amabere kurwase county yo nyakaba gosemanyikane temna Kenya Dairy Board kurwa asenseme yo nigaganda nyakaba kwanena amaigeli yogochia asegati ya menyikurwase county ya Nyamira na boni ko bosemu bo boganda nyakaba konekigwa amono munyekiro bwensemeli ya Kenya Dairy Board ase county ya Nyamira nabogo miense ya Kenya Muskijo Sinumanwa abwasabairika konekingango chiara ko ndire amono murubru igamne nchiremo yo gusira ebirengo bi abalimi ase county ya Nyamira na boni go Musbat Josephine anyakaba ko yakwana iga asensemelia ya Kibirigo imi county ya Nyamira chinga kinyakaba kwa nobo semia gochia segati ya minyibensemyo kwane ko jibaligwa sonia igoro yo okwane kinga babiri bakolinda etuko yabo likonyora amabere ayera kinyakaba ko bakonya kwegenderia asobuguma bwabo.
Korunaga chore tuwe chari Kenya Dairy Board na kolire gasi ngiya ase county ito ya Nyamira na wekire abantu baitu bechi ward awamo na baleche chi cooperative echichiragere benyorere chibese kurwase chienchio kurwase government ya national ose banyore chibese kurwase county wetani ayo na baletere amasomo banyale ko bagosomiwa lero ene training ya gatatu nkoleta ego sponsor ne serikali ene kurwa Nairobi elio banyale komanyanga ngakibara tuwe chombe chingiya nabo igo kobeka mabera isaine ayaragere kolete kirimali ase county ya Nyamira ekerenge kenene kerororo asa masoma ya no kubwatera noko ligeringa county ya Nyamira ne county ebwate obole mobotobu nabo igo obotubwe chombe ni obole obuyororo einere gangene ne yagere tubwatera ne the county government of Nyamira na national government torete kirimali ekerabe anga sabaremi baraire amabera abo egere benyorere bonus buna chikaunti chinde chikwenyorera nale kogosorora omugabano ito agriculture negendokere ase county government korante support abalimi baito wetera so gutuma bobisa babarware lichombe wetera so gutuma bobisa bao babasomie elitonyare ko ba tokonyora amabera mange twagache kirimali nabo ige kirimali eketoendete korengeri gochikwagacha ndobwati bole manda sto gochikwagacha twale gusaba omugabano ito abalimi banyamira obolemo asabara beke kirimali nabo igo chibese chichigo cha devolution aroketi chibese chinde chinyako bachigo so sector ya mabere chinyako boost ya balimi aba
ritukuria rero liabere ritukuria omogoko monene ekiagera twabere tukwegerigwa na kitubwenerete kurinda chitugo cheitu na mono chiombe erinde chitoa mabera amange igo twegera amarwaira ko chanda chiombe asengenje ya carelessness yaitu na inde twabere tugutierigwa ngakitubwenerete gukama na kitubante kuragiri chiombe amone bintu bindi ase igo twerana erimbu ya mono aso murubiri yo muya umongina director Josephine aroberetie na inde agasangiriria abali mukuru wa kitano chionsi kya Kenya babeire bagutwegera igaiga
omongino oyo nabwate kerenge kiyagocha setore maigure eserikali enene nere tayari gotoretere Krimaris Nyamira gaki aseboniga tigango torabwatisia serikali enene amone county government ito ya Nyamira tokonye oborimi bwaito bwa Nyamira.
Mwanchumure tukwirana asense mwende mninchire moyo kini asekta yo basombe ase county ya Kisii ni golit kuliarero ekiombe kyo basombe kemenyi kantemna chachi society kurase county ya Kisii ni kobanya kabakora abochori mninchire moyo gochikochora igatia bali barachi kunyakaba utenera ekiombe kyo nabo nigo umunyakirogo kurwa asense meli ya matatu asereta Samson Okongo Mosi anyakabo gwesokya nagoteamna nerubuya igatia banta bange kwasone ase kiombe kengamne kiga mninchire moyo kone kinga babere bagukine sector ya matatu na boni go babir ba temna ni go bari gan undu bugan sura chikunya ko bogo so asense meiga mninchiremo yoko gendredi
osia erio ego safe na poloni laire twabwate HM tware bwate HM ekerere kawaida ngo para trobo choli twetia machikari akora cooperative ase umwako mugima abo busambale ngakura se cooperative batwara ichaguzi ngara neri chikuna lihoteba twakorera biya otugwaganya saye ngambia mono asege saiseke una kerera biya abantu baitombaro bari bakora sesemo ya transport sachine bakageretenga ekiombe ne ekiombe ekitari ekiombe yene cooperative society asogo safe na koloni na ende Carolis Karia tali ngoshiniro wika neba no mwana ogo ose umumino okora simatatu usomoga okora simatatu netakiro mugori na ingekora taracho iniga ikagere ne cooperative ere ndire ne serikali intotoro robune byongosi tu bali tokonyerigereria na indabo bazi bali bakunya gukora abake abo basi abanene ne serikali igo gende ketalinga negento kira chakerero kere mambi ke ne rishirika ikogenda mutwe na ndiri agenda asatambe general ko batenga bali mutagete go join cooperative igere was amachika itona mororo unless onye kwabira sekiombe kete kwabunire kiombe na liota soyega igongeta biyao gya ko bembe kare lijibana bali kokana lakini onye kwa maitenga tora aewa kiombe kende na mbiri ebike bigo bikoro bucha association osebiri ebike bikoro buchimeli go round onye tora buna intunto wancherete go chichanga tonje dabando bons ebe nayo okora transport ko sase family ino mondo ndiwe okora transport na ancheiri ochoininga kagera egende kekero kekorosi buga abantu bakeroseti na ba transport ayo manyene no takora na bokonya tatumino karo mwana karo mono karo usomoga ko karo igo ntuntu ancherete abantu bonse ne bangene nese yani kagichora se transport kagera gagantu bwatanonya na bafanya biashara baro bali bakora within the stage ekagere gari karo ikire stage ekugora match yagore card igabanda bado otoba balitenga transport bagokora. That's why morocha abantu biashara mbaro abantu ba nonya poda poda uyo tate go join na bago cha join na inde mtutu wari gusabaiga serikali ntoro chenga ne ndrate ko konya ko konya ebyombe au ndo abantu ba transport ntoma jituko ba smart yake na inde ntotagete ngento kwa tomo choko ntotagete serikali kare go konya ebyombe binde na intu etoinyore abarayi mbali bali bachoririga gusi ene cooperative society turagenda members bange otora members 280 turagenda bange na inde intubono gaigese kutoka gose omo member itoyomo onyo robo kong paelo ige kubwati ngamba ko ngukia nyora ikagera abantu buna toyiro boyirega na mwanya abantu ngokutore ekero member asirire lichi kondroro litigarite drori litali bokwa lirororo likogaidinga ekere member ya asirire ninki kebwenerete kokorwa amate yaye enyore obaene bwaye na inde buna kwa borianga sachinde omongina naro utamanyitiko somo gakwa enaro na bekunyalikana ekiagera omongina tali byonsi ipi aramanye anene mone cooperative mbone go chaka umuntu nabaga banga tigera chaka majo gotabye family yane lakini tabye family yaonga nora se cooperative ande cooperative yeye ne wero registered ande cooperative yeye ne bwata marorama ya amambia. That's why ngoja gotabanga oyo koroche muntu go taraswa gabu tanya gukungaina nganje tindigo swalia igo nigamanyeta magosaye matebinga join y'abantu bali be cooperative tuske guchi mutu ekere school fees ya toborire ari no tokorus kera to anyorro buruire ari no to gosabe loan ekera bana to asere kwa na chiloni bwasa tore na chiloni ase kuchake weekend chiloni cha sakire basoka echipengi chachire batoko nje secretary cha cooperative ande ngaira ni ngambu ya mono senje bali wekera na ase bochori to baterero ase HM yeito twachoriro bochori uya nande twachora abantu bali begene twegena nga bachiko tokorega singia ase umwako to bwati mbako umwako gochigochondi ane ngosaba nga bali bondo bonsi batarajoini ase cooperative eye mojoini abali bonsi batorigete ase TV asiredi magotoigwa mojoini ekiagera obuyamba roro gochi motwe kiagera cooperative ete ngochire kogiro ande amashati agocha gosoekera yakini garachi koba makonguso abono iga totara kunya machipo ase cooperative ete
Wanchimurete kwirina ase county ya Nyamira mnenchiremo yo kwenda gukinya ibirengo bya masomo ase nseme yo ritko liarero nigo omwaziri gwisemi ase nseme yo moske emirungaka aberka wasokana otamniga serikali ya county ya Nyamira agendrete amono muruburu school feeding program mnenchiremo konekinga aborki wakuru ase nseme yo babiri bakonyora endage nabo gukinya ibirengo bya amasomo niko boigo aberka otamnigo muruburu yo rachiko gendra ase county ya Nyamira ilikonekinga wizara semi ya abrege ukina asinchira egwendrete.
Mheshimiwa Gavana ametoa ahadi kwamba shule zote 408 zenye ziko katika Nyamira County zenye ziko na ECD centers kwamba school feeding program inaenda kuanza. Katika hii school feeding program tunashirikiana na wakulima. Katika hii program ya school feeding, Department ya Education tunaenda kufanya kazi na Department ya Agriculture na Trade. Tunafanya hivi, wakulima umeambiwa mkae katika vikundi. Sasa ile chakula yenye tutatumia kufeed watoto wetu katika shule itatoka kwenu. Mahindi ni yenu, oboli no bwaino, soya ne byaino. Kuhusu industrial park ambayo iko hapa. Katika idara yangu ya elimu tuko na vocational training centers. Tumesema kwamba lazima tutayarisha watoto wetu ili industrial park inapokuja wawe wanapeana kazi katika industrial park. Sasa kwa idara yangu tuko na vocational training centers. Hapa karibu vocational training center yetu pale Ibucha vocational training center wanaenda tumeshirikiana, Mheshimiwa Gavana ameshirikiana na banki ya KCB Foundation na hivi sasa watoto wetu wanaendelea kusajiliwa katika hiyo mpangilio. Elimisha watoto wetu wahitimishe wafanye application, inafungwa on Wednesday. Application bado iko open. Vijana wetu tafadhali fanya application ili muweze, county government kwa kushirikiana na KCB Foundation inaenda kusupport 600 of our vocational training centers, the trainees in the vocational training centers, kwa kufanya zile courses ambazo zitawasaidia kupata kazi. Katika ECD centers zetu tumeleta digital learning. Katika department ama idara yangu ya elimu tumeanza kufunza watoto wetu kutumia kompyuta. Mumewaona shule? Mumeona zile kompyuta watoto wetu wanatumia simu kusoma. Tuelimishe watoto, si ndio? Na himiza watoto wanapokuja nyumbani. Saa hizi wanafunzwa kule ECD na simu. Tunafunza watoto wetu digital learning kutoka kuanzia ECD kukuja primary, kwenda secondary, kwenda university. Ndio maana tumesema katika idara Mheshimiwa Gavana ameipatia kifua mbele.
Tukwirana asense mwende gwikaboni iga asamangana ali agenda tukunyakabaga utara asense mili mitano nigonko manygonga kubatkana amono korobekana kwanyakaba konekwa atinsemo ana monase county ya Nairobi, Mombasa, Kwale na Bogo Kilifi nigabantu gwikaboni gemeronge bire na babire bagendete kugwene chingoma cyabo abwase oyomo kurwase county ya Nairobi oyo gatebkana nanigo arenge omonchiriria nyakobugwa kwa lisasi masemo amo numunyenyimbo asense meyo abose amna nigo akageru kurwa asinsemeli county ya Homa Bay anamna nagusiria obguma bwa chingaki abakenya bange bagenda kurwa ebirengero byabo chingaki agenda tkoneke kwa kurwa asinsemeyo nigo mujumbe Okiharu Muskendi Ninyoro aberka wasoke na kwendra kubule serikali gochikone kinga gotigere ebikole bingabne bigabe babiri bikone kigwa imensi ya Kenya namna suguitwo kwa abakenya okwana chingaki anyakabo kwendra amonech project chae asensemeli county asensemeli bunge ya Kiharu nigo Muskendi Ninyoro aberka otamna nerebu ya serikali gochia kuligire nganeiga ligokora ogoitwa kwa basaye asamat kabongoiga.
The lives of Kenyans is sacrosanct. And as a leader, either elected or appointed in any position of government, it is the right of Kenyans to give their voice about the conduct of your office. They may criticize you because you are in a public office. It is despicable ya kwamba Mkenya anatoa malalamishi ati kurudisha mkono serikali inaondoa maisha ya huyo Mkenya. It is diabolical. It is very wrong. Na tunasema hawa watu wote, watu ambao wako kwa positions ya uongozi, we must respect the lives of Kenyans. Na hii mambo ya kutisha wa Kenya lazima ikome. It has to come to an end. If you feel the heat is too much, you are in a government office, you don't want to be criticized. You don't want Kenyans to give your opinions about your conduct. Safari ni moja tu. Sio Mkenya atanyamaza, ni wewe utaondoka kwa hiyo kiti. And not let no one think, wacha mtu yeyote azifikirie ati vile walikuja wanatisha watu kwa viti, wanaweza tisha sisi. No one, mtu asijidanganye hata siku moja. Tumeona mengi. Tutaongea mambo ya nchi na lazima tutetee wa Kenya, na hiyo sio tafadhali.
Kubatkana amono gwitwa kwegati ya oyomo kurwa Asinsemeli County ya Nairobi chinga kicho kurobekana kwegati ya basaya kubatkana amono kwa Albert Ojwang nigo omujumba Embakasi East Moske Babu Ongiri Owino Amerika wasoke na ukwanda igoro ingane yo chinga kia Amerika kubuli serikali kwa nekinga ochirego kiani gwitwa kwegati ya abasaya namono bali bakorobekana mnenchiremo yo kwa nekinga bali bonsi babire bagusira magimabo inse ya maboko ya serikali ngo chibalkonyora abonebo.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Babu Owino, Member of Parliament for Embakasi East constituency. I stand before you today not just as a voice of concern, but as a citizen who is deeply outraged by the senseless violence we are witnessing. The recent attacks by goons on innocent people are not just cowardly. They are a direct assault on the values we hold dear as a society: the value of peace, value of dignity, and justice. Let me be clear today with what is happening in Nairobi at the CBD. There is no place for violence in a civilized society. No ideology, no agenda, no grievance justifies raising a hand against another human being. These goons, these thugs are not heroes. They are criminals and they must be treated as such. We cannot and will not remain silent when our fellow citizens are beaten, harassed, and intimidated. Silence in the face of such brutality is complicity. It is our moral duty to speak up, to demand accountability, and to ensure that those responsible are brought to book. I also take this opportunity to condemn the senseless killing of one innocent protester at the CBD today by a police officer. An officer whose responsibility is to protect lives and to protect property. But instead, these officers resorted into taking lives. I want to condemn this with the contempt it deserves. And I want to warn this officer, having known very well what is happening in this country, that his own boss is going to be charged for murder. How can you move further to kill an innocent protester whose only mistake is to go on the street to protest against the death of one of their own, the death of one Albert Ojwang, who was senselessly killed too in the hands of the police officers. Such police officers are criminals. Such police officers must be condemned. Such police officers must take plea, must be charged with murder. And we are waiting, we are seeing your actions, and at the right time, we will also act. To the Governor of Nairobi, Johnson Sakaja, your actions today do not make you strong. Hurting others does not give you power. It reveals your weakness. It reveals your fear. It reveals your utter lack of respect for the rule of law. And we will not allow fear to win. I want to tell you clearly that you've hurt so many people, but the goons that you've hired today at the CBD to hurt people during demonstrations, and we will not take it lightly. To the victims and families, you are not alone. We see you, we stand with you, and we will continue to fight for a society where everyone can live without fear, regardless of their background, beliefs, and opinions. Let us send a message loud and clear that we will not be bullied, we will not be silenced, and we will never stop fighting for justice. We will never stop fighting for peace and for the right of every individual in this county and in this country. What the governor has done is completely unacceptable. I condemn it strongly, and I believe that he can do better. When he was campaigning, he used to say that siasa bila chuki, siasa bila vita. But now, what are we seeing in Nairobi? A disorganized county, a county that should be organized instead of being antagonized by the governor with the help of the government. We want to warn the goons that you need to stay at home. When people are peacefully demonstrating against the death of one Albert Ojwang that was so gruesome, a death that every Kenyan condemned, you come and you start dancing on the grave of the dead by trying to intimidate fellow Nairobians, fellow Kenyans who are fighting for justice. I want to say that you are criminals and you must be dealt with accordingly. And therefore, Nairobians, do not fear. We are with you. We will stand by your side. We will fight by your side. As Babu Owino, I will always be by the side of the people. God bless you and thank you all.
Right mwanjo mudano ngo ikirabo mwali bwa yatekire chinsanye chobot ko bwalero litukeligali jumane anona abangi bawatanga kero kwarure mwawo nyomba mambi nyakabo kwa nekin kwabiri ko be kama sabo chingaki musayomo oyo nyakabo kwa polisasi masema asomuchi o Nairobi chingaki chokorobikana kwegatia basay ko batkana amno kwa Albert Ojwang yakotebekana sensemeli mitandao munani ko asiria abuguma bwaye korwa asensemeli na bogoni ko tebekana nigaru asensemeli ye county ya Homa Bay anamano na mangi agenda to kwano korwa asensemeyo asabali kwaito ba mangana maye korwa se county ya Kisii county ya Nyamira weke county ya Nairobi ngo bakirangambia yamono na boto wakirangambia yamono soko chara koligiri ya Kisii TV aiganura nyore onsi Afrika kone kigwa ime naisko yorogongoro gusi gwanchire kondi gwansi gutayo korwa asensemeli ya siasa wika asensemo ye chigoso linchenko kwa Kevin Onkoba.